Good morning, YouTube. Anthony Goodhouse Floor Care. Here goes the Goodhouse Mobile. Over here on my first stop. Today is a bonded insert from dog damage. Let me take you inside and show you what's going on.
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out where all the wild roams, and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be the light that only you can see. You can see. Go south, we can take our time just to figure it out. I'll be here when all...
Welcome to today's episode. It's me, Uncle Tony here. In today's episode, I'll be doing a bonded insert due to pet damage in a Berber carpet. What you see me doing here is using my row finder to spread the rows so I could use my cushion back cutter and cut this damaged piece out. What I like to use is my Crane number 367 residential row finder. It really is an awesome tool to help you find your rows. Okay, so here I use my Crane number 301 cushion back cutter. Don't forget to use the blade that is facing the side that you are going to keep. So if you have any damaged padding, go ahead and cut that out now before you go ahead and put your new piece in. Now you can go ahead and cut your seam tape to fit. Remember to split the difference between each side using the red line that is on the seaming tape. Here's an easy way to tell which way your carpet is running. Most carpets have these lines on the back of it. If you keep them going the same way, the fat line and the skinny line is what I call it, as long as they're going the same way, then you know your carpet is going in the same direction. Here I'm using my existing cutout piece to line up my pattern match. Don't forget, it's very important to seam seal all edges of your existing carpet or your donor piece. Once you seam seal it, go ahead and let it dry until it's clear. Okay, so here's the after results. Everything came out great. Customers are totally satisfied. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to get back to each and every one of you. Once again, as always, thank you for watching.